Your fridge suddenly stops cooling, and panic sets in. In our first step, we'll explore the common signs of fridge trouble, like unusual noises, temperature fluctuations, or leaks. Understanding these warning signs is the key to addressing the problem early and preventing further damage. Now that you know your fridge needs attention, it's time to research local repair services. In this step, we'll guide you through the process of finding reputable repair technicians in New York. We'll provide insights on using online reviews, asking for recommendations from friends and neighbors, and checking for certifications and licenses. Once you've compiled a list of potential repair services, it's essential to narrow it down to the best options. We'll reveal our expert tips on how to compare and evaluate repair companies. Factors like pricing, response time, and warranties should play a significant role in your decision-making process. Before making that crucial call, it's important to prepare for the conversation with the repair service. In this step, we'll provide you with a checklist of questions to ask, such as their availability, estimated repair time, and whether they use genuine parts. Being informed will help you make the right choice. Finally, we'll discuss post-repair care and maintenance tips to ensure your fridge stays in top condition. We'll share advice on cleaning, organizing, and optimizing your fridge's performance. Plus, we'll remind you of the importance of leaving a review to help others in their search for reliable fridge repair services. There you have it. Finding the best fridge repair service in New York doesn't have to be daunting. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to having your fridge back in action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips. Visit our website for in-depth reviews of repair companies and more valuable information on appliance maintenance. Thanks for watching.